Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm gonna do it real quick in the car sound clip. It's automatic 8-speed, 2018 2.0 turbo. I just got the cold air intake and a muffler delete. Pass this full up real quick. Slow down, so I'm at 60 at this fucking intersection. Alright. Quiet. It gets quiet right now at about 30 miles per hour with no gas. Put it in. Catches up pretty quick. I do feel a difference with that cold air intake. I am pleased with it. What else am I gonna do? Right now I can't do shit. I am recording with my mobile cell phone, so I guess there's a difference in quality sound with another camera, but whatever. So right now we're just coasting. Doesn't sound too loud up in here at all. Right here, let's see. I think it sounds more louder when it's coming from a dead pull without going full acceleration. Well, I'm not full accelerating, but like, you know what I mean? I am putting that pedal down. So I'm gonna just do a regular acceleration at a red light, see how it sounds. But then again, I really don't know what's a regular acceleration because I tend to drive fast anyway. So here we are, about to go right now, you guys. Hold on one second. Bear with me. Camaro King's on the road. Okay, now I'm gonna throw it more. I'm going too fast. It's a 35 mile per hour zone, you guys. I was going fucking damn near 70. I'm gonna slow down for this car right here. Doesn't expect me to come by so fast. Again, my check engine light has nothing to do with my car's performance. I didn't downpipe it. I didn't do anything with that yet. Simply my battery was dying because of a faulty sound system connection that I gotta upgrade. I got the box and everything's up in there. So you guys stay tuned to that. I'll have to redo all that shit. I'm gonna put the windows down now. Let's see how it sounds. So quick, I can't even show you guys because I'm already going like fast. Let's slow down here. Yeah, it's not the best time to do a video, but it is what it is. I'm gonna end it here. Let's see what's up. More videos later, you guys. Peace out.